Oh. 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 Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, guys. So I'm very, very excited right now because it finally came. What is in this box right here is my new Superior Wilderness Designs 40 pack. I've been waiting for a little while for it, and it finally came. And man, I can't believe how small this box is. It's hard to believe this is an entire backpack in this box right here, but it is, and it's because it's frameless, and they were able to just fold it up, and super, super light. It weighs like nothing. It's unbelievable. But I'm gonna open this up. I thought I would just do an unboxing video for you guys and just show you my general reaction, and then I'll pull the pack out and we'll talk about the features I got added to it. Kind of give you a sense if you're thinking about ordering a SWD pack, how it might come to you if you decide to get one of these. This is pretty much how it's going to come shipped to you. So I'm not going to use a knife on this. I'm going to figure out how to open it without using a blade. Man, they have taped this thing up really well. So hold on a second. I'm using these stupid scissors I found because I'm afraid to use my Benchmade on this thing. I don't want to slice into my brand new expensive backpack. So, all right. So here we go. Oh, I can see it. Come on. Ooh, buddy. Oh man, check this out. This is amazing. All right, so first of all, they gave me a Ziploc bag here with some stuff in it. I get some cordage to put on. They gave me a SWD sticker, a Garage Grown Gear sticker. Now, I did order this through Garage Grown Gear. That's my recommendation, honestly, if you're going to purchase an SWD pack. So that is pretty cool right there. And here's the pack itself. Right. Oh man, there it is. Woo! All right. So that is my 40-liter frameless pack right there. And hopefully the idea is that this is going to be the only pack I need going forward. Hopefully for, I'm thinking for 3-season, maybe even 4-season use. This is going to be all that I go with. If I can get everything dialed in enough that I can use this only, that is my hope. I love these like handwritten tags that they make. I think I'll just keep that just because. Superior 40, torso large, weight 1 pound. So it's 1 pound, it's about 16 ounces with the stuff. It's because of it would have been about 15 ounces if I hadn't have got the extra features added to it. But as you can see, now I got this in the black X-Pack material. I really like X-Pack. I think it's cool stuff, and it's basically just as cool as DCF in my opinion. Mitten Camper just did a video about that, where he talked about DCF versus X-Pack and the differences and the similarities, basically. Really, the only difference between this and a fully DCF pack that's taped and seam sealed is this isn't fully waterproof out of the box. So that means I'm going to have to do something. They recommend, of course, using a pack liner. I do use Nyloflume bags. But I think I'm going to take Josh Harrod's advice, and I'm going to seam seal this thing. Basically turn it inside out and seam seal all the seams, and should be good to go. I'm going to try that. I know it's not going to do any damage to it. So let's go over the features that I had added to this thing after the fact, the extra things that I wanted to put on, the customizations. So one of the things I did is they give you an option of course, you have the water bottle side pockets right here. This is just the standard water bottle pocket on this side. What I did was I had them put a extra tall one on the other side, on the left side, or yeah, my left side. And basically what I got this for was for things like just taller items. Of course I don't carry a tent, I do a hammock, but I did purchase a Helinox Chair Zero, so maybe I could put a camp chair in there on shorter trips. Might just want to stack stuff up in there. I always have a phobia about losing gear on the trail, so I figured having this tall side pocket will really give me an option of keeping my stuff safe, and I really like the way that looks. That's pretty freaking cool. Another feature I had them add was the Palante style bottom pocket. So this is a mesh pocket that goes on the very bottom of the pack. Helps you when you're on the trail. You can reach under, put snacks in there, you can put your trash in there, all kinds of things. I'm still up in the air about how I feel about that, but I figured I would give it a try. It was $5 extra, I believe, for that feature, so why not do it? My only concern is, setting this thing down on the ground, you're gonna get this mesh really dirty quick, so you gotta be careful where you set your pack, not set it in any mud or anything like that. So I'm kind of worried about that happening. We'll see how that goes. This is the standard mesh that, and I was gonna get the Lycra mesh back, but a lot of people said that this mesh is actually better. It's a lot stronger. It doesn't tear as easily. It's just not real super stretchy, but supposedly it's stronger. So, and I kind of like the way that looks. I like that better than just the solid mesh. I think it'll air things out better. What I'll be keeping in here is my tarp rolled up, and I'll have that in the hammock gear mesh sleeve. So that'll help aerate that when it's wet and I need to get on the trail and dry out my mesh sleeve. So I asked SWD to remove the hydration port so it has no extra holes in it. That'll kind of help keep the waterproofness a little bit better. Just kind of prevent any kind of extra water from getting in. I also had them add this right here. It's the roll top pocket. So basically it's an extra zip pocket right here that you can put stuff like credit cards, keys. Well, it even has a little clip like your typical Osprey and those types of packs. I just like those. I like having a zippered pocket where I know where my stuff is, especially knowing where my keys are at all times. It's just really, really important to me. So I had them add that feature. That was I think all these additional changes I had, these customizations, were only 30, 35 bucks, something like that. But man, the workmanship, the quality of this pack is just beautiful. And so here, of course, it's the roll top design, and look how tall that is. Man, oh man. And you can see this is a pretty good size extra pocket there. So that's nice. I really like that. It has snaps for the top closure. Another really amazing thing about these SWD packs is the inside, no matter what color pack you get, the inside is always white. Okay, so I have a fully black pack, and the inside is white. It helps you see stuff better inside your pack, see down, because it is just basically a tube that you look down in there. So it really helps you. It's also going to really help me seam sealing as well. I think it's really going to help me be able to get a better grip on seam sealing this thing. And then for the side pockets, it's the Dyneema X grid stop design. I really like the Dyneema X. I like that look. And they use that for the straps as well. Now I did buy one additional extra item for this. In addition to the hat, the same time I bought the hat, I bought this. This is the X-Pack water bottle holder. This actually clips onto the strap right there, just for having a water bottle at the ready right there. You can just pull it right out. I'm not sure how I feel about this, having this much extra material and weight for just holding a water bottle. That's one thing I really like about ULA is the ULA packs just have two loops. They literally have a loop for the top of the bottle and a loop to hold the bottom of the bottle to keep it from swinging around. And I really like that design. In fact, I don't know, we'll see how this goes. I'll use this out in the field a little bit and to see how it works, but I may resort back to just using shock cord loops for my water bottle. But I really like the way this looks, and it wasn't that much extra weight. So one other thing I will be ordering eventually for the other strap is they make a waterproof zippered pouch that I'll hang on the other strap, and I'll use that for my phone, things I need to get to readily, very quickly, things like that. Maybe I will be able to store my GoPro in it. I don't know yet, but camera gear, of course, is always the kicker when I'm out there, you know, on the trail. But all right, guys, so there it is in a nutshell, my brand new 40-liter SWD Superior pack. I am impressed, man. The workmanship on this thing, there are no loose threads. Whew. It is pretty, and I just like black. I don't know what it is. I know it's so boring, and I could have literally gotten any color combination, and you know, but I like black. I like being stealthy out in the woods. Of course, my hammock is, you know, olive green, so I don't know. I like avoiding sight pollution. I don't like bright colors out in the woods, so that's just me. I'm boring. I'm plain, but I really like this pack, and I cannot wait to get this thing out on the trail and get it out and test it. So Superior Wilderness Designs, you have done well. This thing is awesome, and I cannot wait to get it out there and give it some real field tests. Guys, be sure to check back to the channel soon to see this thing in action, and I will talk to you very soon.